Costa Rica is a land where rivers carve through wild rainforests and adventure flows at every turn. Today, we're diving into the heart of this country's rafting tours, an experience that's equal parts adrenaline and pure jungle magic. Some of the most popular rivers here have become legends in the rafting world. The Pacuare River, world famous with rapids that climb to class 3 and 4, intense in the rainy season, calmer and scenic in the dry months. The Savegre River, a family-friendly ride with pole class 2 and 3 rapids surrounded by monkeys, toucans, and iguanas. The mighty Reventazón, offering sections from calm class 2 floats to heart-pounding class 5 challenges. And the Savegre River, one of the cleanest in Central America, perfect for mixing rapids with refreshing swims. But rafting in Costa Rica is about more than rapids. It's the unique experiences along the way that make it unforgettable. Picture this: swimming in calm jungle pools between rapids, sliding off the back of your raft just for fun, hiking up to indigenous sites for a cultural lunch or even an overnight stay, and one of the best moments, when guides flip the raft upside down, turning it into a table for a riverside feast right in the middle of the rainforest. Companies like Explornatura take care of everything, from transportation and gear to meals, guides, and those special extras that transform a rafting trip into an all-day, all-inclusive adventure. Costa Rica rivers are more than waterways. They're gateways to adventure, culture, and the wild beauty of the rainforest. So grab a paddle, hold on tight, and let the current carry you into memories that will last a lifetime. Costa Rica Rafting Tours adventure awaits.